I'm Michel Myers, and I'm from Marietta, Georgia, which is a northwest suburb of Atlanta, Georgia. And I came to India to essentially get a knee replacement. Found out I didn't need one, but they were very good at changing over and essentially finding what the problem was. My MRI did not show anything, but they were able to scope the knee, and I ended up actually being able to walk the next morning without the pain that I had going into the surgery. I find the doctors here to be exceptional. They're as good as the ones I have in Atlanta, Georgia, or Marietta, whichever you want to call it. And I see no problems with coming here and doing this, especially if you have somebody like IndiCure Health Tours who essentially guides you through the process and do most of the work to actually get you what you need, and are very good at changing, just like the doctors changed. They changed me from the doctor who was going to do the knee replacement to another doctor who essentially did the scope. It was an excellent experience. I'm staying in a very nice four-star hotel, and quite frankly, the whole thing is at this point looking like the budget is going to end up being less than $7,000. It was an excellent experience and at a very low cost, far less than I would have actually spent in the United States just for the money that my insurance company is actually telling me that I need to prepay before they start kicking in their money. So this turned out to be very good for me. I even got a full health checkup, which I haven't had in 35 years out of the experience. The nurses were very nice. Everything went extremely well, even though I came here with certain expectations, and those expectations changed. So I got something I didn't expect, and actually ended up better than I thought I was going to come in out of this thing. So, quite frankly, I'm extremely pleased. I'm extremely pleased with everything and everybody. So if you want to come do this, in fact, if I have another surgery, which I need to do, I will probably do this again, because this was far better than I was going to get in the United States. Thank you, IndiCure Health Tours.